clicked on to another drive. Today we're driving on I95 Northbound from Penn's Landing through to the Cottman Avenue exits in Philadelphia. Up next, our next exit on the left will be exit 22 for I-676 and Callow Hill Street, Independence Mall, and downtown Philadelphia. Next, merging on the right will be the ramp from the eastbound Vine Street Expressway, I-676, followed by Girard Avenue, exit in 1¼ mile. And right here we have the on-ramp for Ray Street. I forgot about that. And here comes the on-ramp from the Vine Street Expressway. And half a mile on the right will be the exit ramp for Girard and Lehigh Avenues, known as exit 23 Girard Ave. As we continue north here, on the left side, which would be the southbound side by 95, we have the ongoing road project that is in effect. Road work is a common scene here on I-95 in Philadelphia, as they are working to rebuild I-95 with more lanes, wider shoulder, for added capacity, for higher volumes of traffic, as I-95 exceeds the volume of traffic that it was built for in the 1950s and 1960s. And here we have the on-ramp from Girard Avenue, where we do open up to 4 lanes northbound. Next exit coming up is exit 25, Allegheny Ave and Castor Avenue, most commonly known as Allegheny Avenue. And exit 25 is there on the right for Allegheny Avenue. Up next is Aramingo Ave and the Betsy Ross Bridge, exit 26. This is a right exit, and you have 2 lanes to exit off into this area. Up ahead, pretty soon we will come into road work for the northbound direction, where the lanes are narrowed between the Betsy Ross Bridge and Cottman Avenue. But first, Harbison Avenue will be coming up as our next exit. Harbison Avenue, Bridge Street. As you can see, there is no southbound roadwork in this area. And here's the first of many northbound roadwork projects between I-676 and Cottman Avenue. Exit 27, Bridge Street, Harbison Avenue. This, once again, is a right exit. Northbound on-ramp from that exit. On the right. Coming up next, the lanes will be narrowed as we are coming into the roadwork area. So you want to be mindful that it is a narrowed area. Oftentimes or not, we do see a lot of incidents through this area. And here it comes, the newer construction zone that just started a few months ago. Also a high congestion area for this stretch of I-95. Now, if you notice here, there are full white lines. That means you must stay in your lane through this area. No changing lanes or weaving in and out of lanes to pass people. Although you will still see people do it anyway. Cottman Avenue coming up very soon. In about 2 miles. And now you're allowed to pass again. The speed limit through the work zone, by the way, is 45 miles an hour. I do not believe there are any speed cameras through this area in this particular work zone on I-95 that you should be concerned about. And here we go, Cottman Avenue. One thing you're going to notice about this construction zone is Cottman Avenue is going to sneak up on you really quickly. It's going to come up without notice. See what I mean? All of a sudden, along comes Cottman Avenue. So if you're in the center lane like I just was, you're going to want to get over pretty quickly. Here comes the off-ramp. And now we're out of the construction. We are getting off at Cottman Ave. Exit number 30. All right, we are off I-95, and we are now on Cottman Avenue. Thanks for riding along with me. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like button down at the bottom of this video and hit subscribe. Enjoy your day.